Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide to fix the AEG Dishwasher i30 error code. If your dishwasher suddenly stopped working and showed this code, don't panic. It's usually a flood sensor warning caused by water collecting in the base tray. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clear it and get your dishwasher running again. So, what does the i30 code mean? Simply put, your dishwasher has detected water where it shouldn't be, usually at the bottom. This can happen for a few reasons: a leaking door seal, a faulty inlet valve, a loose hose, or even condensation collecting in the base tray. Before you do anything, safety is key. Always unplug your dishwasher to avoid electric shock. Next, pull it out from under the counter and tilt it back about 45 degrees. This lets any trapped water drain safely into a container. Grab a towel or sponge and wipe up any remaining water in the base tray. Once the water is cleared, inspect your door seals, hoses, and the underside for leaks or loose connections. Tighten or replace anything that looks suspicious. A common culprit is the inlet valve. If it's faulty and keeps feeding water even when the dishwasher is off, you might need to replace it. As a temporary fix, you can manually turn off the water supply after each cycle. After everything is dry and secure, tilt the dishwasher back upright and plug it in. Most of the time, this resets the flood sensor and clears the i30 code. If the code persists even after these steps, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid further damage. And that's it. A simple, safe way to clear the AEG i30 error code and get your dishwasher back to normal. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.